Hello everybody, hope you're having a wonderful day today. So I just received my Orly box and I thought I'd do an unboxing. I do not have control over the noise, the background noise that we're having, dogs barking, the lawnmower going on. We're having our yard fixed up. So there's gonna be various noises that I have no control over, but I was really excited to do this unboxing. So let's get into it. So again, Orly unboxing. In the front, of course, has my information, but let's take a look. So right off the bat, we have the little card that tells us what collection this is, which is the Terra, and it's for fall 2024. Let's turn it over and we're gonna have the names on the side here, and then Terra, a small nail art tutorial, which I always think is really nice, what the bonus items are gonna be. Okay. And here is the sticker. Hopefully you can see that clearly. It's 42 decals, so that means that's every piece. I like these for like my smaller nail beds. For like my pinky, these are nice. Usually I'll just take them out and put it in my, what is it? My nail art section, or where I have all my decals. But this is the size. It is the size about my hands. So there we go. They're very cute, very nice. Like I said, I don't normally keep these because I put it with all my other decals. If you're interested in seeing my decal collection, just go ahead and leave a comment on the section below and I'll go ahead and do like a decal collection or something. So let's go ahead and put that to the side. Here is the second item that you get. And this is the One Night Stand Peel Off Base Coat. I have used this one before. I've purchased it myself before. I've had it in other boxes before. And I do like it. So I'll put it in my spare section because I do have spares. And I always just like to keep what I'm using in hand, and the rest, whenever I'm running out of something, I'll just add it. So do you mind my hands? I got out of work and still have paint on my hands. I did scrub, but you know, it's paint, so it takes a while. Going to the most important part. Let's remove that. The nail polish from Terra by Orly. Toss that. It is a 6-piece. I really like. So normally I do not keep the boxes. I always toss the boxes. I am running out of space. If you're interested in the Orly collection that I own, or nail polish collection of this brand, let me know in the comments below and I can do that as well. But I have run out of room, so what I'm gonna do is just keep it in the box until I don't know, make more room or something. But look at this beautiful, beautiful collection. I'm really excited because they are for fall, although here in the state that I live, we don't really get a fall, but we like to pretend like we're getting a fall. And this one right here is called, let's see here, Rustic Root. Hopefully it is focused. Rustic Root. It is a beautiful, it has shimmer in it. And let's see, no, it doesn't say what kind of shimmer, but, no, okay, but it's beautiful. I can't wait to wear it. I don't think I have anything like this in my entire collection of over 5,000 nail polishes? I don't think so, believe it or not. This one right here does feel a little bit more generic. Again, I have over 5,000 nail polishes, but if you do not have that many, this is a beautiful color. This one is called Sky Stone. This would be beautiful, like a I don't know, like a gemstone kind of nail art. And then there's this yellow one that it looks like it either has like blue, greenish shimmer in it. It's not a yellow, not an orange. It's in between. It has shimmer. It's beautiful. And this one's called Gilded Dune. So pretty. These are very, very pretty. Very beautiful. And this one is an orange. I feel more like a burnt orange with a little bit more black in it. And this one's called Earth Fire. Very beautiful. I can't imagine like a gradient out of these three colors would look absolutely stunning. So I'd probably do like a gradient nail art with these. So pretty. Okay, and then we have Bedrock Bloom, a very beautiful, beautiful, it's like, how would I describe this? I don't know, I can't think right now. I just got off work, but I really wanted to do this unboxing, and it's very pretty. Now with this one, just like this one here, the Sky Stone, I might have something similar, but again, I would have to check to see if I have something similar, but they're still very beautiful colors. And this one right here, I'm super excited. Purple is my favorite color. Well, when it comes to color, my #1 favorite color is black. Like, I love black, but when it comes to an actual color, I love purple. Like, it just reminds me of royalty, and I think it's absolutely stunning. This purple reminds me of one mini Orly bottle that I have. I don't want to say saturated. I want to say saturated is a little bit softer than this. It's like more of a grape color. But I definitely need to get my box and see. There's a color. It was from the Disney collection, I believe Pocahontas collection, mini, that I absolutely adore. I don't really use it because it's so tiny, but this one reminds me close to it. So I'm gonna have to do like a, is it a dupe? Is it similar? Is it the same kind of quest on this? And of course on camera, as usual, they look a little bit darker, but they're gonna be a little bit softer toned. So these are the 6 colors. Did I say the color of this one? No, I did not say the color of this name. Starlight Shell, or Shale. I'm probably butchering the name, but if we could just get it there, and you can see the name right there. So absolutely gorgeous colors. I like that they give you 3 creams and, well, actually this is 4 creams. 4 creams and 2 shimmers, if I'm not mistaken. Yep. So yes, 2 shimmers, 3 creams, gorgeous colors. And again, this was the bonus items. And I can never go wrong with an extra peel off base coat, which I like to use with glitter. Makes my life so much easier. I hope you enjoyed this unboxing. Once again, if you want to see my entire collection of my Orly collection nail polishes, some are no longer in production, some still are, let me know and I'll go ahead and do that. If you stayed this long to watch the video, I do appreciate you. And I hope you guys have a wonderful Friday, because today's Friday Let's see, today's Friday 19th. I was gonna say the 18th, but it is the 19th. So I'm glad you were able to enjoy this video. May you have a good day. If you guys have any questions, comments, concerns, let them be written and known in the comment section below. Thank you.